Hi, I'm Jonathan Pahed. I'm a component product engineer for Aerojet Rocketdyne supporting the RS-25 engine program for NASA's Space Launch System. And this is Rocket Science in 60 Seconds. 4 RS-25 engines provide over 2 million pounds of thrust during liftoff of the SLS. The jacket of the nozzle used to be a welded assembly of 35 pieces. We now make it from 4 cone sections, which results in a bell that will significantly improve the assembly process. Hot gases exit the engine nozzle at 13 times the speed of sound, fast enough to travel from Los Angeles to New York in 15 minutes. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is new technology that saves time and money. We have identified 35 component candidates on the engine that are ideal for 3D printing, like the Pogo accumulator, which we recently tested at NASA Stennis.